Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we can discuss how we are multiplying these expressions. Okay. Can we solve exercise 9.3? So today we are going to solve exercise 9.3 chapter algebraic expression and identities class 8. Okay. So here given this given find the product of, this is the question here. So you have to find the product of this expression. Here given AB is given and you have to multiply this AB into A minus B. How we will multiply? We have already studied about the distributive property. AB should be multiplied with A and AB should be multiplied with B. So AB should be multiplied with B. So we got A into A what? A square. And A into B what? That A into A, okay, it finish A square and then this B come here, okay. And A into B what? AB. B into B what? B square. A into B square is AB square. This is the way we have to multiply this one. So, AB into A minus B equal to, how we will multiply? A into A square B minus A B square. Can we go to the next problem? Oh, you have to complete the table, okay? You have to complete the table. They have given first question A into B plus C is AB plus AC plus AD. Like that we have to multiply this one. So x plus y minus z 5xy. So 5x square y. This 5xy should be multiplied with 3 terms. This term and 5xy should multiplied with this term and 5xy should multiplied with this term also, okay. So 5xy into y is 5x square plus 5x y square minus 5 into minus 5x is minus 25xy. Minus 25xy. The way. Then p into 6p square, that is p should be multiplied with this and this p should be multiplied with this and this p should be multiplied with this. This is the way we have to multiply. So 6p cube minus 7p square plus 5p. This is the way we have to multiply and complete the table, okay. Next is find the product of a square into 2a to the power of 22 into 4a to the power of 26. How we will put? First multiply the numbers. 4 into 2. What is 8? Then a to the power of 2 plus 22 plus 26. You have to use this formula. A to the power of 2 into, so 2 plus 22, 24. 24 plus 26. A to the power of 50. Answer is 8a to the power of 50. Can we go to the next problem? Yes. Here they have simplified 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x equal to 3 and x equal to half. First we have to simplify this expression. Simplify means just this term should be multiplied and write like this in the form, okay. So 3x into 4x minus 3x into 5 plus 3. So we got 12x square minus 15x plus 3 and x equal to 3. So substitute value of 3 into this equation. So we got 3 square 9. So substitute it. So we got 66 answer. Same way we have to substitute x equal to half. We got half square is 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus. So like that. This is fraction. How we will add the fraction we know. So we got minus 3 by 2 answer. Next is simplify this expression and find the value of a equal to 0 and a equal to 1 and a equal to minus 1. So first we have to multiply a into a square, a into a square and this one. So a cube, a into a square, a cube. 2 raised 2 plus 1, a to the power of 2 plus 1, a square, a 1 into a and plus 5, okay. Here plus 5 separately added. So no need to multiply with A. So for A equal to 0, then to put the equation it becomes 0, whole will become, only constant will be remaining. So answer will be 5. A equal to 1, what will be the answer? 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus 5. 6, 7, 8. A equal to minus 1, what will be the answer? Plus 1 minus 1. So get cancelled, plus 6 will be the answer. So A equal to 1, we got, look, 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. So we got 8 will be the answer. Look, A equal to 1, substitute 1. Next is, we have to add this polynomial, these three expressions we have to add. How we will add? Adding expressions, we go, first multiply P into P and make this expression, make like this and like this. And just put adding. So we got P square plus Q square, like terms together added. So how many like terms? P square, Q square, R square, there is no term similar. And therefore minus QR and minus RP will be there. So minus QR and minus RP. So put the answer. So our answer is like this. Now term should be added or subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Total 6 terms are there. So answer is correct. Next go to the simplifying expression. Here is also adding, just same like just add the expression like this and you got this, and just put the polynomial like term together added, you will get this. Okay. Next is subtract polynomial. We know that subtract means this term should be first written and this term should be second written. Okay. And the sign will be changed. How the sign this? So if you multiply this term together, this term, you get this polynomial. If you multiply, you get this polynomial. So from this, you have to subtract this. That is 8L square minus 12LM plus 40L ln minus of, you have to subtract this expression. So 3L square minus 112LM plus 15LN. So here this minus means here you have put minus. So here you have put minus. This minus should be goes to all, right? This term goes, and next term goes. So this expression sign will be changed. Plus 3L square will be become minus 3L square. Minus 12M become plus 12M, and plus 15 become minus 15. So you got 8L square minus 3L square. You got 5L square. Minus 12M plus 12M. So these terms get cancelled. And 40LM minus 15LM. 40LM minus 15LM, how much? 10 minus 5, 5x. 25LN. This is the way we have to subtract this expression. If you like my channel, please share to others also. Wish you all good luck. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching my video. Wish you all